and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, my name is Sonja and I am a mother of 2 teenagers and I run a home daycare. In today's video, I wanted to share some tips and tricks on how I stay on top of laundry. And trust me, I have tons even though my kids are teenagers. And it hasn't always been like this. I've actually, when we did build the house 14 years ago, I had insisted on having an upstairs laundry room versus main floor laundry room because I was too scared that I'm just going to have piles of laundry all throughout my main floor, because that's how it used to be. Well, a couple years back I've started on this routine and it had worked for me really well, and I no longer have piles of laundry accumulating. Sometimes there is a pile of laundry because I had taken off my sheets and I just need to throw them in, or when I'm doing my spring cleaning and I'm washing all the curtains. But other than that, on day-to-day basis, it's the laundry gets done. I do my laundry first thing in the morning because we have a thing called a timed electricity. So I start a laundry machine between 5:30 and 6:30 in the morning, and then if I don't have enough laundry for it to run in the morning, I will put the biggest load in and I will set it to turn on at 7 p.m. because that's when the electricity is the cheapest. So our electricity is the cheapest from 7 p.m. till 7 a.m. And then throughout the day I will add more laundry as I come across it, or if the kids decide to clean out their rooms and things like that. My kids are in charge of some sorting their own laundry, as well as their alternate days emptying the dryer, so that way when I go to do laundry first thing in the morning, the dryer is empty and I can just switch it up. I don't dry most of my clothing. I dry pants, socks, underwear, and towels, and then some of the bedding as well. But the rest of the stuff I hang up to dry. I separate my laundry into 5 different sections, plus some other ones, but my 5 main sections are lights, darks, lights, darks, towels, and delicates, and then I have kitchen rags and also underwear. And then I also have my workout clothes that I wash with a separate laundry detergent, because I do find that it gets a little bit stinky and the regular laundry detergent doesn't clean it well enough. So I use the Tide with Febreze to do this, and it works out really well. The clothes no longer smell like sweat. I typically use my main laundry detergent. It used to be Persil, which I'm still going to continue using it, but when I was recording this video I did not have the Persil ran out at Costco, so I ended up buying Gain, but I'm not too crazy about Gain because I do find that it fades the darks. Persil works really well for the darks as well. So and then I use a unscented detergent to do my kitchen rags as well as my undergarments, and I wash those on sanitary cycles as well. And then the other loads that I might once a week I have is my bedding, and then I also the odd times have like bathroom rugs or any other rugs than outdoor rugs, but these are all seasonal. Well, bathroom rugs are more on a monthly basis, but then I also have curtains and outdoor rugs and things like that. That's more of a seasonal cleaning. So by doing laundry every single day, and not only do I do laundry every single day, but when the kids empty their the dryers, they're in charge of taking their laundry and putting it away. And then also I put in the morning, my habit is to take all of our laundry and right away put it away. That way I don't have piling up or anything like that. The laundry is put away. Back to the products that I use. I forgot that to mention that I don't use dryer sheets either. I use essential oil, dryer balls, and then I am planning on buying dryer balls that are like fur or material, so I can add some of the essential oils to them. But right now I just throw in a microfiber cloth with some essential in a dryer. Also, for stain remover, just so I kind of go over this, I use Resolve, which I think works really, really well on all of my like grease stains. If the whole laundry load needs a boost, I add the OxiClean. And for food stains, I use a homemade soap that my mom brings me from Europe, and I have no idea what's in it, but it works really well on the stains. And I also have this little piece of the Sunlight Stain Remover, which is not bad. It works pretty good. And then for outdoor wear, I have these two specialty soaps. One is detergents, one is for washing the waterproofness back in, and the other one is just a laundry detergent. Now this one doesn't necessarily work very well if the clothes are really dirty, but it doesn't strip the waterproofing coat off. So if your clothes are really dirty, I suggest you wash them with the regular laundry detergent and then rewash it with the wash-in, so that way you can wash back in the waterproofness. I do not use bleach for anything except cleaning my laundry tub, and Downy fabric softener I only use on towels, and then curtains and rugs. And I also add to curtains and rugs, I add this Downy Unstoppables, just because they smell really nice and I like the way it all smells. So I hope you found this video helpful. Just a few tips and tricks of the trade. Having the laundry hamper already sorted, laundry already sorted in the hampers definitely speeds up the process of doing laundry, as well as having my dryer empty in the morning, so I can just quickly switch it all over and not have to worry about emptying the dryer or taking care of the laundry that was dried and putting it away, except mine and my husband's. It hasn't always been that way, but it is now, and it's working out really well. It's a little responsibility for them. I am planning on teaching them how to do laundry as well, but that'll come, I'm sure, once I stop being so controlling, I'm sure. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. If this is your first time stopping by, I would love for you to consider subscribing. And until next time, hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.